the most excited to try the laboratory because it offers hands-on experience and bridging theory and real-world application. Criminology thrives on practical insight, and this lab seems like the perfect space to explore the forensics technique used, analyze and mock crime scene, and understand the scientific and rigor behind investigation. From this lab, I hope to sharpen evidence and collection and forensics analysis. I also want to strengthen my ability and analytically under and pressure and collaborate the peers and skill and crucial solving complex cases. These skills will directly support my criminal journey by preparing me to tackle the real cases with the precision and ethical integrity. Whether I pursue the law enforcement, forensic science, or criminal profiling, mastering this fundamental will ensure and I contribute the effectively to justice and public safety.